Hello everyone, welcome to NAS Unboxing. I'm Sam, and today we will introduce you to the TVS-872XT with Thunderbolt 3 and 10 gigabit Ethernet connectivity. Along with PCI Express expandability, the TVS-872XT is suitable for small businesses and power users who are looking for a high-performance and future-proofed storage solution. Let's start. Underneath the protection packaging, there is the NAS and the power cable, screws, Ethernet cables, and some heatsink for M.2 SSDs. This is the TVS-872XT. It uses an Intel Core i5 processor with 6 cores that can run up to 3.3 GHz. It comes with 16 GB of memory as standard, which can be expanded up to 32 GB. The TVS-872XT featured a 3.5-inch SATA drive base and also provided 2 slots for M.2 NVMe Express SSDs. Here are the LED indicator for all of the drives, and there is also the status indicator, power button, USB 3.1 port, and one touch copy button. On the rear, we have 2 PCI Express slots. The first comes pre-installed with a Thunderbolt 3 adapter, which provides direct connectivity to Thunderbolt 3 enabled devices. And the other PCI Express slot is compatible with a wide range of expansion cards, such as QNAP cards, 10 gigabit Ethernet adapters, wireless cards, and more. Then, there is 4K compatible HDMI output, the built-in 10 gigabit Ethernet port, and 2 USB Type-A and Type-C ports. The blue ports are USB 3.0 and the red ports are USB 3.1. And there are also 2 gigabit Ethernet ports and audio ports. With Thunderbolt 3 and 10 gigabit Ethernet connectivity, the TVS-872XT provides exceptional connection speed to compatible devices. Users with Thunderbolt 3 devices can also bypass the need for network connectivity by directly connecting their device to the NAS. And if you have already adopted 10 gigabit networking or are planning to, then the NAS will fit right in. The TVS-872XT features 2 slots for M.2 SSDs. By using SSD caching or QNAP's Q-tier technology, you can achieve amazing high-end performance without an equally high-end price tag. QNAP has made it a priority to empower users with the ability to attain greater performance potential. And with its M.2 SSD support combined with Thunderbolt 3 and 10 gigabit connectivity, the TVS-872XT is a great example of what we aim to deliver to users. This is the quick installation QR code, allowing for streamlined system setup. Simply connect the TVS-872XT to your network, turn on the power, and scan the QR code to start the installation process. For backing up and protecting your data, the TVS-872XT has several apps and functions, including full snapshot support. Snapshots are a modern method of protecting all your data. They can be a valuable tool in protecting files from an accidental deletion and unintentional modification, or they are also a great way for users to mitigate the impacts of malware. Not only can you use Snapshot to restore the full content of your NAS, but you can also view the content of each individual snapshot. If you only need to restore a small number of files, the TVS-872XT can support up to 1024 snapshots. The TVS-872XT uses the QTS operating system. QTS is a smart app-driven operating system which provides everything you need for file management, multimedia, streaming, backup, and more. We are constantly adding new apps and services to QTS system, providing you with ever-improving software to match the future-proofed hardware of the TVS-872XT. There are many potential applications of the TVS-872XT, making it the perfect choice of startups, studios, creative professionals, and other small organizations. Its Intel Core i5 processor with 16 GB of memory provides high performance to drive both everyday work and special tasks. You can install one or two M.2 SSDs to supercharge the entire performance. Two Thunderbolt 3 ports provide direct, high-speed connectivity to workstations. Expand its core functionality by installing a PCI Express expansion card, access 10 gigabit networks with its built-in 10G-based ports. Connect up to 4 USB 3.1 devices. Directly view NAS-based media or virtual machines using its 4K HDMI output. This concludes our unboxing of the TVS-872XT. You can find more information on our website QNAP.com. Subscribe to our channel for more videos, and we will see you next time on QNAP Live Broadcast.